I don't blame people for asking me, "Hey, Mitch, what should I expect in terms of return on my money for the next year? What kind of return do you think you're going to make for me over the next year? How's my account going to do?" And you want to know something? I don't blame people for asking that question because you want to know what you're getting for your money. It's like when you buy clothing, $1,000 worth of clothing, you know what you're going to get for $1,000. But, when you invest, you don't always know exactly what you're going to get. So my feeling is this: I don't blame people for wanting to know, but there are so many variables in terms of what you can expect if you invest. It depends on inflation, changes in interest rates, GDP of the United States, of China, of Europe, of Japan. There are a lot of variables. So my standard answer is, I'm looking to earn you a return that is in line with your risk tolerance and your financial goals. Typically, that means hold up better than the overall stock market in the down market, do well in an up market, but probably not capture all of the upside return, but basically in line with your expectations of risk tolerance, financial goals, and time horizon. And that's the best answer. I think that's the only answer a financial advisor could give to you. In fact, I don't think it's possible for anyone to give you an answer other than that. And if somebody does give you an answer other than that, I think you should run. If somebody says, well, you should maybe, you should expect to get 9 or 10% because that's what the stock market's returned over the last 70 years. Well, it's very rare that the stock market actually returns 9 or 10%. Really, you have a lot of big ups and downs, which normally wouldn't be a problem, except for we're human and we're going to need our money one day. So that's the lesson for today. If you work with a financial advisor and you ask that question, what should I expect my return to be over the next year? The answer is always going to be, it depends on a lot of things, but we want a return that's in line with your expectations, your risk tolerance, your financial goals, and your time horizon. Thanks for watching. I'm Mitch Goldberg with ClientFirst Strategy. To learn more, check out my website, ClientFirstStrategy.com. Thanks.